in 2025, going to 2026, if you want to make you at least 100, 300, even $500 or more per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing, you need to have someone who is going to help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way. Why? Because as you watch this video, you probably know that you have tried many courses on ClickBank, maybe you have been scammed, maybe you lost your money, and it's not your fault. Why? The reason why is because you have tried all the other methods that used to work before. Maybe you tried MLM, network marketing, Amazon dropshipping, okay, TikTok shop, whatever, right? eBay, and you failed. And the reason why is because you didn't have the right structure that actually converts and help you to get results. So in 2025, you're almost in 2026. The only reason you're not getting results is because you didn't have a proper guidance. So you need to know exactly who is your buyers, the message of the market match, and the next thing is criteria of markets. And all these together will help you to finally start having results so you can connect the dots and have the exact message of the market match, your pre-sale page, ClickBank video sales letter, and then the conversions are happening. So as you watch this video, if you want to know exactly how to put it together, you have my Facebook Messenger, my email, my WhatsApp, my Instagram, everything in the description below.